So guys, my host saw a pair of boots for my baby girl on Facebook Market, and she said it's going to be a good pick for my daughter. Then she gave me the address of the person that is giving this pair of boots away. So for the first time since I got here, I'm trying to go out all by myself, unaccompanied. So let's see. You guys, just wish me luck. Pray for me so that I won't get missing, I won't get lost. So I'm going to pick up and I'm going by bus. Sorry, the weather is not weathering. Okay. So guys, what's the bad hour? I told you one of boss me. Yeah, no, it's not one mobile. And you tell one you can go and say, well, boss, please, somebody should just simplify this thing for me. Because now we're trying our last attempts. I to see lost another bus station. Is it possible for drivers not to know the address of somewhere within this vicinity? Same Durham, within the same county. Is it possible? Because station Wale, I know one lost, so I didn't show all the drivers the address. Now this is the place I'm going. Two of them now they are said it. And unfortunately, as I entered that one, I saw another bus pass up. So maybe now that one I miss. So what was to buy. I tried to see last option. Last option. That was why really I was the photo. Come on, move along. Come on, boss you. Yeah, it's not easy. But I just I moved from Ibadan to Abuja and in challenges by Sheges because same way. Don't you want to pardon who will Abuja? A boss got to think about. Don't bad. Okay. Don't bad. Sherry left and right. Right, left. You don't So thank you guys. I'll keep you updated. Cannot cry. My husband said, "Jama lonely." He said, "Jama lonely." We were supposed to wait 5 minutes, but now checking the GPS, I just saw that there was a delay of 5 minutes. I haven't waited for the 5 minutes delay. I saw repeat time to change by like 20 minutes. Am I willing to stay in this cold for the next 20 minutes? Oh no. Boots ye o there with me. Honestly, I really love you. I don't know. I'll suppose keep it for but really, this is sad. So I just came here. Glad to work about it to Saya. So when the bus comes, let's just wait. So the bus is coming. Let's wait. Let's try our luck. Wish us luck, guys. But what I just lost the bus, I drew that phone on. Yeah, I was bad.
To make inquiry now.
To my inquiry. So, guys, can you spot the bus? Sherry bossy. Sherry Osimbo. It's fine. Shouting love. I wish me never.
Till the end.
For nonsense, Corey baby daily. Yes, a matter.
Till the end.
Call on the daily now. Enjoy short. No shall now and drop to see people to bus stops.
Till the end.
That is like 5 to 10 minutes walk. I wish me luck. I'll see you when I see you guys. Oh, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, wọ́n ṣáà ti já mi sílẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn máa wà helpful ní UK yìí o. Like, the driver was so helpful. Me tell me, the guy just stopped, he looked at me and he said that at the Otu Shalaye for me to Google map me. He used it to explain. Oh, a fellow so for me quick turn back in 5 minutes. It's easy, it's accessible. I became penalty more wallow. So therefore, I can't just what emotionally cross story when kiss everywhere and you cross. Come on, lost son. So I'll see you guys after crossing. I shook up. Yeah, Yomi. Any are we for about your boy? All anything you got it, Lucy. Motivate dice block. Oh, you man, oh, motivation. Oh, I don't see what lot let him up. Most be anti Chinese. Wọ́n níbẹ̀ náà ni mo lọ, mo ti sọ́dọ̀ ẹ gbà mí o, yàrá lé, mo ti sọ́dọ̀ o, ẹ gbàdúrà fún mi o, kí n balẹ̀ láyọ̀ o, kí n délé láyọ̀. òtútù ti fẹ́ mú mi ṣèṣe o. Ọ̀gá o. Ẹ jẹ́ rìn ní 5 minutes. Ẹ jẹ́ time ara mi. Let me time myself because I think I'm lost. I'm lost. But let me just keep going. Jesus, Holy Spirit, my great guidance, guide me, lead me, teach me the way to go. Let me get home to my children and my family safely. In Jesus' mighty name we pray. Amen. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà tí mo ṣe rí àwọn kan tó kọjá wọn ni mo wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀. I'm right. Ibẹ̀ náà ni mo wà. Thank you God. All right, see you guys later. Mo ti rí gbogbo àwọn ibi tó wà lórí Google Map. I've seen them, those names. What I don't know now is ṣé kí n lọ máa kànlẹ̀kùn lé àwọn èèyàn because àbí kí n gba nọ́mbà ẹ̀ nìyẹn kí n pè nọ́mbà 50 mi mọ jẹ́ n wò ṣe clearly lélẹ̀ tèmi bá mi kẹ́kúùdù bó kẹ́kúùdù wá ó dà ẹja rìn tá a bá máa fi rìn ká tiẹ̀ rẹ́ ní táàbì ẹjọ́ èèyàn mélòó ni kí n rẹ́ni tí màá bí àbí ọlọ́run tèmi bá mi o mọ ibi tí mò ń lọ o ẹ wíṣ mi lọ́kọ́lọ́mọdé ọlọ́pàá gbé mi o permit holders only no fly sipping CCTV tèmi bá mi máa sí yín létà. Sanu ibi tí mo lọ yẹn náà ni tí mo ní ó kó CCTV síbẹ̀ náà ni ó kàn ní right there it's there àní ojú ẹni màlà á rí ìyọnu ká mọ owó nọ́mbà lérúkú báyìí ọ̀gá ẹ jẹ́ ń gba nọ́mbà yẹn ni ó kẹ̀lọ́ ló wà ní staircase wà mọ̀ tí staircase wà báyìí máa gbàdúrà fún mi o ogun ò tí ì ṣẹ́tàn o máa rí yín létà. Mo ti rí nọ́mbà 56 54 nọ́mbà 50 ni mò ń lọ so bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn ni mo fi mọ nọ́mbà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn ni mò ń lò mi tẹ́ mo bí fídíò yìí máa kí lélẹ̀ wàhálà mo wà ní sọ́nù nọ́mbà 50 ni praise the Lord mo débẹ̀ o ẹ bá gbọ́ mo débẹ̀ ibi táyé mi ti dára. Okay, let me ask for a number. Ṣé ń gba nọ́mbà yàn mí? Ibi tó wà òkè gan-an. So 50 tí mo rí yẹn kì í ṣe kẹ́kúùdù. Another kíní kan crescent ni. A ṣáà máa débẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn kan dẹ̀ ló ń lọ yìí o. Wọ́lọ́. Bí yítírì kan ní jẹ́ lọ bèrè. Máa sí yín létà. Ibi tí mo já sí inú yunifásitì ni mo já sí. Nǹkan tí ò wá yé mi ni ṣé ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ ni àbí mo máa padà wá school yìí ni Sheraton Park okay inú yunifásitì mo máa já sí kẹ́kúùdù mo máa ń lọ tèmi má bá mi o ṣáà ní wọnú láìbírì wọn lọ bèrè báyìí tèmi bá mi o ẹyẹ èèyàn mi mo rí àwọn èèyàn wà tí lọ bèrè náà ní báyìí ṣáàjọ máa fi gbàgbọ́ lọ mo ṣáà ń tọ̀ àwọn èèyàn náà wà ní laboratory bí ẹ̀rí Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ ń bá mi sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn báwo ṣe ń padà bọ̀ wá school yìí ni lọ́lọ́run ṣe jẹ́ kí n lost pọ̀ sí níbí okay ó dà pé àwọn apartment kọ̀ọ̀kan sí lè yìí bí jẹ́ fi gbogbo ẹ̀rọ yín ìyá mi tó ń lọ yẹn wọ́n ti náwó ọbẹ̀ sí mi over 50 kẹ̀kú kẹ̀dẹ̀ máa wò ó mi ní rẹ́ nìyẹn wọ́n náà wọ́n ti fi síbi staircase hold on jésù mi ò mo ṣáà tún ti rí àwọn kan tó gbájá lọ́wọ́ tí bá ṣe pé ajá ò ní òsì mi I don't run. So they said it's by the end of this street. Hey. Pray for me. Worry about me. Okay. Good. Praise the Lord. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá lára ọmọ ṣá. Kọ́lọ́run jẹ́ kí gbogbo abiyamọ ayé kàn jèrè ọmọ. I'm praying that every mother should reap the fruit of their hard labor on their children. This is number 66. I'm going to number 50. Finally, Adebe. Mo débẹ̀ o, mo débẹ̀. Ibi táyé mi ó ti dára, mo débẹ̀ o. Kẹ́ni yìí dẹ̀ lè gbé mi jáde. Mo ti rìn ẹsẹ̀ ti ronú. Mo débẹ̀ o, mo débẹ̀. Mo débẹ̀ o, mo débẹ̀. Ibi táyé mi ó ti dára, mo débẹ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìyá lára ọmọ ṣá. See all I had to go through for my daughter. Oh God. Oh God. So stressful. So I've crossed this hurdle. The next one is getting home now. Let me quickly. Finally, I'm by the roadside, and I just checked the schedule, the bus schedule now. The earliest one is 8:28, and now the time is just 7:28. The time is just 7:28. I better pay a down the wakiti and my baba. So my wardrobe 1 hour calendar note too. I don't even know. Got to tell you, we only church. If it's on the train station, you will go. I'll first have to check. The Sophia in London, now this one is being bought in London. What the? All will be well. Quickly. Omi ló ń jábọ́ nímú arúgbó ẹ̀ wò. Omi ló ń jábọ́ nímú mi. Ṣé máa wà okay? Guys, I have just 3 minutes more. This past 1 hour has been the longest 1 hour of my entire life.
Keep an eye on the bus coming in. It's the bus comes. I'm out.
I tried my best. But it went to stop over there, down there.
No, they don't stop down there.
Okay?
No.
It was waiting for the traffic light
Yes,
then.
yeah.
Okay. Oh my God.
They only stop here. Like, do you like say someone's down there and they want a bus here? Sometimes they'll wait, but other times
I tried.
yeah.
I dropped my arm. Guys, I'm waiting another 1 hour. I'm making 2 hours. Oh my God, and it's drizzling.
Oh no.
I'm so cold. Okay. Where are you heading to?
Cook.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is your bus coming here?
It's supposed to be 1:30.
Oh, you missed your bus too?
Oh, it hasn't.
It hasn't.
It's always late.
So you came up so early. You came up quite early.
Well, I finished at 8 o'clock. So by the time I walk up here, it's about between 15:15 and 20:00.
All the best to you. I'm embarrassed. Guys, I missed my bus. I actually put down my hands, but probably the driver was distracted. The driver didn't look my way. So unfortunate, guys. This is Sophia in London. But I have a company. And that's enough. I'm waiting till 9:24. 9:24 p.m. Let me call my people back home. Hey, I hope I won't sleep at the bus station. No, it's not funny. Alright. See you guys in another 1 hour. I cannot afford to get lost again. I've gone to meet the guy. I've shown him the GPS. And he said when we get there, he will tell me, he will let me know. I beg, I don't lost enough. I don't want lost again. It's not easy. Thank you guys. My people. I don't land brekete. Oh, I don't reach where I sabi. I sabi this place well. So Iléyá. Gbàgbé pẹ̀gbẹ́lé àwọn èèyàn. Iléyá. Mo délé láyọ̀ àtàlàfíà. Ẹ bá mi dúpẹ́ o. It's me o. Mo délé. Wálé o. Ọ̀kadà délé olúwa délé. Bàtà ní fíìmù. Olúwa ṣeun. So, bless this food, oh Lord, for Christ's sake. Amen. Yeah. So, thank you guys so much. If I had to subscribe to my channel, do well to smash your subscribe button. My battery is low, so I need to charge my battery now. Thank you guys so very much for following me to pick up my daughter's pair of boots. And I hope to see you in my subsequent videos. Bye.
See, I like this one. It fits me very well.
Perfectly.